Orange County Mini Maker Fair, and we're here at Reimagine Garden Grove. We're teaching kids how to, kids and adults, how to make paper rockets. So the kids get to start off coloring, decorating their rockets, and then they build them over at the next station. And then after they build them, we go and launch them over here. So this is Becky. She's helping launch some of the rockets here. He just built this little rocket. What's your name?
Tell my name.
What's your name? What's your name? Matthew. So you built that rocket yourself, Matthew? Yeah? Okay, what do you want to count down from? From 5? Okay, we'll count down from 5.
Ready? 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got it. Yeah, you want to build another one, Matthew?
Hi, I'm Diego from D's Maker. We make 3D printers, and here we're at the Garden Grove Reimagine event. Pretty cool. We're at a booth here. A lot of sunshine, a lot of people riding bikes. But we're here to demonstrate 3D printing and what they could do and how they could really excite kids to learn a lot of technology and science and math. Here's some examples. This is a friend of ours. His name's David Peribus. It shows right there. He made a little 3D printed robotic eyeballs, all 3D printed stuff, and using Arduino also. It's very cool. This is our printer, our main Bukobot. It's also Arduino compatible board. So if you guys are into Arduino, it's a hackable machine. It's all open source and everything. There's some cool things kids could do. For those that play Portal, this is one of the game pieces that somebody recreated. It's a companion cube. Pretty fun things. For kids that want to make robots and things, you can make gears. This is a nylon gear made by like a little printer like ours. This is the Bukito. It also prints out little things. Well, not too little, but it's pretty robust, portable, meant for the education market. Halloween's coming up, so we had a little mask here printed to show off. And kids could have a lot of fun. They can make RC car wheels for themselves. They could teach really cool math and science things. Very fun. So that's what we're doing here. We make 3D printers, and we're located in Pasadena.
Hello, I'm Nunez. We're here at the booth for Mathrobotics. I'm actually a student from UC Irvine studying informatics, and what we're doing here is promoting our program where we teach K-12 education, robotics classes, and engineering classes. So I have one of my coworkers here named Shweta, and she's going to talk to you a little bit about the Mathrobotics robotics program.
When you learn to do this,
Hi, my name is Shweta, and I teach robotics in Mathrobotics. So what we do is like the kid comes in and they like follow the instruction. They follow the RSDLC, which is Robotic System Development Life Cycle, which is a goal, design, and build. So that's what our goal is, to like follow the cycle. So they come in, they build programs, and often they try and error with the programming. So pretty much that's what they come up with, like pretty much stuff like this, like guitar or like a man basically, and they program it to move or to make a sound. Yeah, and I think we have Daniel over here to show you some about open project.
Hi, my name is Daniel and I go to UCI. So I'm a mentor for open projects in lab. So basically we use open source projects like the Arduino and the Raspberry Pi. Basically this is more about learning about programming like Python, Java, or even JavaScript, also basic programming skills like Scratch. And then for this is like creating your own circuits, designs, using Java or C or maybe C++, depending on the mentor. Basically they get to learn about analog, digital signals, and also I2C circuits.
With all these, it's for the classes that we offer, they go at their own pace. So we're not going to rush them and we're not going to baby them. If they feel like they can go ahead or if it's too hard for them, we'll go at their own pace. We offer our classes, which are 2-hour sessions, once a week for 12 weeks. We do offer trial classes, so if they want to come in and test it out and see if they like it, we offer that as well. Also, I'm an alumni for the FIRST robotics competition. FIRST is for inspiration and recognition of science and technology. Yeah, that's a bit of a mouthful, but I'm not the one who made the name. But what this program does is it also uses the Lego robots that we use for our program. We offer an introductory course to teach it. FLL, the First Lego League, offers kids to actually compete in actual competitions for it. Once they finish the FLL from middle school, they can go into the high school version of it, which is the FIRST robotics competition. And that would be for 9th to 12th graders, 14 to 18. And they actually build robots that would be about 5 feet tall. So about my size, maybe a little bit smaller. And it can even be as small as 1 foot, 2 feet. Every year they have a new game. Every year it's a new theme. 1 year can be throwing frisbees, another to soccer game or basketball game, or something that has to do with plushes that you throw into the pool and you have to like move them around in a certain way to make a certain logo or diagram. And sometimes they have an extra robot besides your robot that you have to use. So there's 2 robots involved. And it works on 3-on-3 where you compete. So 6 robots in an arena. It's really cool. It teaches you not just about building robots, but it builds character and a wider community for your city or wherever you are, because you learn about gracious professionalism, marketing, how to cooperate with other teams. It teaches you skills not only that are based on engineering, but based on finance, marketing, business, technology based. So you teach how to program, how to work with others, teamwork. Also teach you about initiative and being a leader in your community.
Anything what you want. Anything you want. The whole point of it is looking at
Hi, I'm Larry Birch and I'm Steam Powered Education. And what I'm offering today is a series of courses in Arduino. What are Arduinos? They're little microprocessors that are inexpensive and fun. This little board right here is an example of an Arduino. This is also an example of an Arduino. They're inexpensive, from $20 to $50, and you can program them to do some really awesome stuff. The development environment, what they use to program it, is actually free. You can find that in arduino.cc. Now here you can see I'm doing a lot of things with LEDs because I like science fiction and I like to make costumes and things like that. But you can do all kinds of things with Arduinos. You can water your plants, you can turn your lights on and off. You're only limited by your imagination. There's actually an Arduino satellite. They built a scientific satellite that they launched from the International Space Station that was powered by Arduinos. Now I'm offering a series of classes. There's 4 classes. They run about 3 hours, and with the class you buy a starter kit, and we take you all through all the items in the starter kit. And by the time you're done, you'll be an Arduino ninja.
Hi, I'm Candice. I'm the Teen Services Librarian at the Garden Grove Regional Library, and this is Tom Fitch, our branch manager. And so we're here today at Reimagine Garden Grove, and we're really excited because we have a whole bunch of makerspace and tech programs going on through the library. We have 3D printing, we have OCD Maker Fair, we have people talking about Arduinos and robots too, and it's a lot of fun.
It's really neat to have them joining us because at Reimagine Garden Grove, we're also kind of reimagining the library. And it's been done over the last 5 to 10 years as culture and society changes, so is the library. So we're neat to share some of our devices, like simple iPad, where we can get different magazines, movies, about everything's starting to become more available for everyone. So what do we like to come today to let people know that we have a whole bunch of different stuff. And I have a bunch of staff out here to share our traditional services like story time and programs, stuff the teen does. Teen anyway, thanks.